Governments and major corporations are competing to go to the moon, to Mars, and to the stars. While these competitors are still spending billions to win the end of the first space race started with Sputnik. While they've spent their time catching up, a few forward thinkers were determined to leave the solid fuel age behind. 2 decades ago, Project Renaissance sparked an international space sciences organization of physicists and engineers worldwide. Our agenda was to explore the unanswered questions at the very core of physics. Amidst war between quantum mechanics and general relativity, and with particle soups and strings of things unseen, we went straight to the central questions, fundamental questions. What is the nature of the particles that comprise all atoms? What is the nature of space and time, and how do they grab matter in inertia and gravity? We examined hundreds of experiments and thousands of the best papers and narrowed to their commonalities. And we made a few core discoveries by 2001 that we believe will change the world. And then we considered how the impacts and opportunities can change our world. A few years ago, we commenced testing of entirely new means of propulsion and energy. By 2010, after 5 generations of test systems with extraordinary video and data acquired with the finest means and at great cost, we believed a breakthrough was at hand. The implications were profound, and an extraordinary enterprise began. With the mission to make science fiction science fact. Assembling the world's finest experts, the International Academy of Science and Arts was born, InterNASA.org. Testing on 3 further generations of the device have reinforced and refined the potential of this breakthrough. Gravity field effects at a distance, lifting 200 pounds at the center of matter of a machine with less than a light bulb of energy. True free lift. What would it be like to travel to the moon within 5 minutes safely? To Mars in less than 2 hours? To our nearest star in less than a week? We have the actual data. InterNASA's motion physics enterprise has commenced the next stage of testing on its device, which we call VERT 0.9. And it will provide the final perfections on the equations of action for motion physics' first publicly testable thruster to power the new space age. The first acceleron motor, a 12-inch cube adaptable to any craft on land, in sea, air, and space. InterNASA has a proposal for a few select partners to contact at internasa.org.